This is a question on indices. So the question says 729 to the power of 1/3 times 9 is equals to 3 to the k. Now, how do we go about solving this? So as you can see that the k here, okay, is raised to the base 3. So what we want is, we want this left hand side to be also simplified such that it resolves to an element that has base 3 to something here. Okay, so let's do it systematically here. So the first thing is 729. You can use a calculator and you will know that 729 is actually equals to 3 to the power of 6. Okay, so let's put that in first. So 729 is 3 to the power of 6. Okay, bracket 1/3 multiplied by 9 is equals to 3 to the k. Okay, now let's look at what we need to do here. This section here, we need to look at the indices rule that says AM bracket n is equals to AM times n. So this resolves to 3 into power of 6 multiplied by 1/3. Okay, multiplied by 9. And 9, as we know, is 3 squared is equals to 3 to the k. So this simplifies to 3 into 6/3, which is 2, multiplied by 2 equals to 3k. Okay, let me carry on over here. And now we need to invoke the rule that says AM times AN is equals to AM plus N. So this rule says that if both the bases are the same, the powers can be added together. So applying that here, I have 3 to the power of 2 plus 2 equals to 3 to the k. So 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 3 to the k. And if both the bases are the same, it also means that both the powers are the same. So the answer is k is equals to 4. So that is your final answer. K is equals to 4. Thank you.